How to create a one-product Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of creating a one-product Shopify store from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to start a small e-commerce business, this video will help you get your store up and running step by step. So make sure to stick around till the end for all the important tips. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. The very first thing you need to do is sign up for Shopify. Shopify is a powerful and beginner-friendly e-commerce platform that allows you to sell products online, and it's perfect for a single product store setup. To get started, simply visit the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Shopify gives you a 3-day free trial, which is a great way to test out the platform without spending anything up front. And here's the cool part. After your free trial ends, you only need to pay $1 for the first month. That gives you plenty of time to build and launch your store before paying the full subscription price. Now, it's important to understand that just signing up is not enough. In order to publish your store and make it live to the public, you'll need to select and activate a paid Shopify plan. This is necessary because by default, Shopify puts your store under password protection, and customers won't be able to access it until you choose a plan. So don't skip this step. Go ahead and pick a plan that suits your budget and goals. I've already signed up and activated my plan, but let me show you exactly how you can do it too. Once you land on the Shopify homepage, click on Start Free Trial. From there, you'll be asked to enter your email address, create a password, and choose your store name. After filling that in, click Next, and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your store. As I mentioned earlier, during the first 3 days, you won't be charged anything. And once that trial ends, you'll only be charged $1 for the entire first month, which is an amazing deal for anyone just getting started. So go ahead, sign up for the free trial, and make sure you use that trial period wisely to begin building your store. Once you've signed up and taken advantage of the free trial, the next step is to start building your store. During this phase, make sure you fully customize your site. Design it the way you want. Choose a clean and user-friendly layout. Upload high-quality images of your product, write compelling product descriptions, and fine-tune the overall appearance to reflect your brand identity. Take your time to explore the Shopify dashboard. You can add your logo, adjust colors and fonts, and even use Shopify's built-in themes to give your store a professional look without needing to code. Once everything looks good and your store feels ready, meaning your product is uploaded, pricing is set, shipping and tax settings are configured, that's when it's time to officially purchase a plan and make your store live. Now, if you're wondering how much it's going to cost to launch your Shopify store, let's break down the pricing plans to help you decide which one fits your needs best. Shopify offers several subscription plans, and each one comes with different features and transaction fees. Here's a quick overview. Basic plan. This one starts at $19 per month. It's the most affordable option and is perfect for new store owners. One thing to keep in mind here is the transaction fee. If you're using a third-party payment gateway, you'll be charged 2% per transaction. Shopify Plan. This is the mid-tier plan priced at $49 per month. It comes with additional tools and support. The transaction fee drops down to 1%, which makes it a better deal if you're expecting more sales. Advanced Plan. This plan is for growing businesses and costs $299 per month. The transaction fees here are even lower, just 0.6%, making it ideal for stores with higher volumes of sales. You also get access to more advanced features like custom reports and extra staff accounts. Shopify Plus. This is the enterprise-level plan that starts at $2,300 per month. It's built for large businesses and high-volume merchants. The exact transaction fee can vary, but it's generally lower than 0.6%. And you'll need to contact Shopify directly for a customized quote and onboarding process. So, choosing the right plan really depends on your needs. If you're just starting out and testing the waters, the basic plan should be enough. But if you're serious about scaling or running ads, you might want to consider the Shopify or advanced plans for better rates and added features. Aside from transaction fees, here are a few other differences you should know. The basic plan doesn't include staff accounts. You'll only have access to one admin account. With the Shopify plan, you get up to 5 staff accounts, which is helpful if you plan to bring in team members or assistants. The advanced plan allows up to 15 staff accounts, so it's great for growing teams. When it comes to selling in multiple markets, all plans give you access to 3 default markets. But if you're on the advanced plan and want to expand into more international regions, you can purchase additional markets for $59 per market. This helps you localize pricing, language, and content based on your customer's location. Also, with the advanced plan, you get 10 times the checkout capacity, meaning your site can handle much more traffic and sales volume during peak times. Great for running large-scale promotions or product launches. So overall, the best plan for you will depend on how big your store is, how much you plan to sell, and how many features or staff members you'll need access to. Another thing to keep in mind when choosing your Shopify plan is the type of customer support you'll receive. On the basic plan, Shopify includes standard chat support, but if you upgrade to higher tier plans like Shopify or Advanced, you'll get access to enhanced chat support, which typically means faster response times and priority service. Honestly, it feels a bit odd that enhanced support isn't offered with all plans, especially considering that even basic users are paying for the service. At $19 to $25 per month, it would make sense for Shopify to offer everyone top-tier assistance, especially when starting out and likely to need help. But that's how it's currently structured, so just keep that in mind while deciding. So, those are the key differences between the plans: transaction fees, staff accounts, international market access, checkout capacity, and support levels. Just choose the one that aligns with your goals and budget. And remember, whichever plan you choose, Shopify is currently offering a promotion where you only pay $1 for the first month after your free trial. A great opportunity to set up everything before fully committing. Now, one important note here. The prices we've discussed so far are based on annual billing. If you choose to pay month to month, the pricing changes slightly and becomes a bit higher. Here's the breakdown for monthly billing. The basic plan costs $25 per month. The Shopify plan goes up to $65 per month. The advanced plan jumps to $400 per month. The Shopify Plus plan stays the same at $2,300 per month, since it's custom priced anyway. So, if you're planning to run your store long-term, you'll save money by choosing annual billing. But if you want to stay flexible or test things out first, monthly might be the better option for now. Once you've chosen and activated your plan, you'll see a Start Free Trial or Activate Plan button on your dashboard. Click that, and you'll begin the setup process. I already have my account set up, so I'm going to log in directly. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward. Shopify will ask you a few questions to customize your experience, like what kind of products you plan to sell, whether you're already selling elsewhere, and so on. You can choose to answer these or just skip them. Once you're inside your Shopify admin panel and your plan is active, the next critical step is to remove the password protection from your store so that customers can access it. Here's how to do that. From your dashboard, go to the Sales Channels section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Online Store, and under that, select Preferences. Scroll down until you see the Password Protection section. Now that your plan is active, you'll have the option to disable the password. Go ahead and turn it off. This step is essential because until you remove that password, your store remains hidden from public view. Once it's off, your store will be live and accessible to everyone online. Now that your store is officially online, it's time to move into the next big phase, adding your products. To do that, head over to the Products tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Add Product. This opens up a product editor. Here, you'll be able to enter the product title, write a detailed description, upload high-quality images or videos, select the product category, set your pricing, manage inventory, and configure shipping details. If you're just selling one product, make sure to really polish every detail. A single product store needs to look clean, clear, and convincing because your entire business is built around that one item. But you can start from scratch by clicking the Add Product button and filling out all the required information. Now, when you're adding products manually, there are several key fields you'll want to pay attention to that go beyond just a title and description. First, you'll see an option to set the cost per item, which is really useful for tracking your profit margins. For example, if you plan to sell a product for $30 and it costs you $15 to produce or source, Shopify will automatically show you that your profit margin is 50%. This built-in calculation can help you manage pricing more strategically. Next, you have the inventory section. This is where you'll manage how many units of the product you have available. You can assign a SKU, stock keeping unit, which is basically a custom code to track your items, and set whether Shopify should track inventory or continue selling even when the item is out of stock. Scroll down and you'll find shipping settings. Here, make sure to check whether the product is a physical item, meaning it needs to be shipped, or if it's a digital product, like an ebook or downloadable file. You'll also set the product's weight, which is important for calculating shipping costs at checkout. Now, if your product comes in different variants like sizes or colors, Shopify makes it really easy to set those up too. Let's say you're selling a shirt. You can add size as a variant option and list out choices like small, medium, and large. You can also add a second variant like color and include options like red, blue, or black. For each variant, you can upload specific images, assign individual prices, set stock levels, and track performance. Shopify will instantly calculate and show me my profit margin. Then, when I scroll down, I can add multiple variants under size, like small, medium, and large. You can even go further and add images specifically for each variant, so when customers select a size or color, the product image updates accordingly. Another powerful feature here is the ability to import products using a CSV file. So instead of adding everything manually, you can click the Import button, upload a CSV file, and Shopify will pull in all the product data in one go. If you don't know how to structure your CSV, Shopify provides a sample template that you can download and follow. Just fill it out in Excel or Google Sheets, save it, and re-upload. It's super efficient, especially if you're adding multiple items at once. Now, all of this is great if you're managing your own inventory. But what if you're planning to run a dropshipping store? Well, you're in luck because Shopify also makes dropshipping incredibly easy through apps and plugins. If you're working with suppliers like AliExpress, you can connect your store using apps designed for dropshipping. Here's what to do. On the left-hand menu in Shopify, click on Apps. A pop-up will appear. Scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. In the App Store, use the search bar and look up an app called DSERS. DSERS is a free dropshipping plugin that integrates directly with Shopify and lets you import products from AliExpress with just a few clicks. It's beginner-friendly, and all you need to get started is a DSERS account and an AliExpress account. Once you find DSERS in the App Store, click Install to add it to your Shopify dashboard. Create or log into your DSERS account, connect it with your AliExpress account, and that's it. From there, you'll be able to browse AliExpress products directly in DSERS, pick the ones you like, and import them straight into your Shopify store, including images, descriptions, pricing, and even shipping details. It's a fast and efficient way to build a one-product dropshipping store, especially if you're looking to test different variations or designs. So once everything is set up and you're inside the DSERS dashboard, the next step is to connect your AliExpress account to DSERS. This connection is crucial because it allows you to directly import products and manage orders between AliExpress and Shopify seamlessly. Now here's where the fun begins. You can go to aliexpress.com, browse for the product you want to sell, and copy the product link. Right away, you'll see a variety of trending products, including home decor, accessories, beauty items, gadgets, and more. For example, these types of products are popular in home and wellness niches and often do well in one-product stores. Let's click on one that looks interesting. This will open the AliExpress listing for that product in a new tab. Here you can view all the important details, like pricing, shipping times, available colors, and product reviews. If everything looks good, you have two options. You can click Add to Import List to add it directly to your product queue inside DSERS. Or for a smarter approach, click on the Supplier Optimizer button. For each product, DSERS shows you key details like the price per item, the number of times it's been sold, the supplier reliability score, and the customer rating. Let's compare a few. As a general rule, always look for a balance between low price, high number of sales, good customer reviews, and ideally, a high supplier reliability score. Once you find a winning product with a good supplier, you can simply click Add to Import List to bring it into your DSERS dashboard. From there, You'll be able to edit the product title, description, images, pricing, and variants before pushing it to your Shopify store. This is an extremely powerful way to build a store quickly without having to manage any inventory yourself. You just focus on marketing and customer service. DSERS and AliExpress handle the rest. Or if you don't like the first product you found, you can always explore others. The final step is to make sure you have a proper domain for your store. Go to Settings, and in Settings, scroll down the menu and head to Domains. Here you can either connect an existing domain if you already own one, or click Buy New Domain directly from Shopify. Let's say our store sells incense products, so I'll search for something like Resonance Inc. or similar. Shopify will show you available domain options, like resonanceinc.org and more. Once you purchase and connect the domain, your store will look professional and be ready to launch. You have the option to buy a .store or .shop domain. Unfortunately, .com isn't available, so let's skip that and proceed with either of the other options. Once you purchase the domain, you can easily connect it to your store. To buy the domain, simply right-click on the Buy button, fill in the required details, and hit Buy Domain. After that, click Connect to link the domain. Though I won't be making a purchase myself, you can go ahead and do so. Keep in mind, you'll need to fill out the tax and duty information, which will vary by country. Different regions may have distinct tax systems, such as Avalara or Vertex, so make sure you input the appropriate details. Shopify's duty and tax system is designed to help merchants comply with local and international tax regulations while offering a smoother checkout experience for customers. Duties refer to import fees that are charged by a country's customs authority when a product is shipped across borders, while taxes typically refer to region-specific charges like sales tax, VAT, value-added tax, or GST, goods and services tax. Shopify allows merchants to automatically calculate and collect applicable taxes based on the customer's location. This is especially useful for businesses selling in multiple regions, as tax rules can vary significantly from country to country or even state to state. When setting up your store, you can configure tax settings to apply the correct rules for different jurisdictions, and Shopify will take care of calculating the right amount at checkout. For international orders, Shopify's more advanced plans, like Advanced Shopify and Shopify Plus, allow merchants to collect duties and import taxes at the time of checkout. Overall, Shopify's duty and tax system simplifies the complex process of international selling, ensuring that both merchants and customers have a transparent and reliable experience when it comes to taxes and import duties. Now that you've secured your domain and product, the next step is to start editing your store. Before diving into editing, I recommend creating collections. Even though you're working with a single product, collections can still help organize things. To create a collection, delete any existing ones and click Create Collection. You can name the collection and add a description. You can either choose the manual or automatic collection option. With manual collections, you'll need to add products manually, while automatic collections will pull products based on tags you've assigned, like shirts or women's clothing. Once that's set up, it's time to customize your store. Head back to your sales channels and click on Online Store, then Themes. Here you can choose a theme that suits your brand. You can go with the default Dawn theme or explore others like Spotlight for a simple one-product layout. If you want more themes, visit the theme store, but opt for a free version since paid themes can get pricey. After selecting it, click on Try Theme to preview it. Once it's added, click Publish to make it live. Now that your theme is live, click Customize to start editing. You'll see options like header, template, pricing, and image banners on the left side of the editor, with the corresponding options on the right. To begin editing, first adjust your header. You can enable features like a search bar, account options, and shopping cart. Once you've made your changes, click Save. Next, you can adjust the welcome bar, announcement bar at the top. If you want rotating messages, set it to auto-rotate every few seconds. You can also adjust the size of the text and choose whether to bold it. Once done, save the changes. Finally, you can select your featured product by clicking on it, saving, and adjusting the title or price if needed. The product now has a clearer and more professional presentation, making it more attractive to potential buyers. You can always revisit and make further adjustments to improve the store's design and functionality. The key is to ensure the content looks appealing, informative, and engaging, so customers are motivated to make a purchase. Now that the store is ready, it's time to launch it. Before you go live, though, make sure to review a few important settings, like tax information and payment options. These are crucial for making sure everything is compliant and that you're able to process payments smoothly. For taxes, depending on your location, you'll need to set up the correct tax rates. This will vary by country, so make sure you're familiar with the tax requirements for your area. You'll also need to ensure that your payment options are fully configured. As for the shipping and delivery settings, Shopify provides several options to customize these based on your needs. You can set up local delivery, enable a pickup option for customers to collect their orders, or create custom shipping methods that suit your store's requirements. Since different countries have different shipping providers and options, you'll need to customize these settings based on your location and the nature of your product. Once your shipping options are set, you'll move on to setting up payment gateways. Shopify provides a variety of payment options, but keep in mind that not all providers are available in every country. You'll need to select the payment method that is accessible in your region. Click on Choose Provider, and you'll be presented with a list of available options. This could include popular providers like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB, UnionPay, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Shopify's payment settings allow merchants to choose how they want to accept payments from their customers. These settings can be managed from the Shopify admin under the Payments section. Merchants can select from a variety of payment gateways depending on their location, business type, and customer preferences. Shopify offers its own payment gateway called Shopify Payments, which is simple to set up and supports major credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay. If Shopify Payments is not available in your country, you can integrate third-party gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or regional providers. The payment setup involves choosing a provider, connecting your bank account for payouts, and configuring how transactions are processed. Shopify also allows manual payment methods like bank deposits or cash on delivery, and alternative payment options like cryptocurrency or digital wallets, depending on what your customers prefer. Transaction fees may apply depending on the plan you're on, and whether you use Shopify Payments or a third-party provider. Shopify Payments eliminates extra transaction fees, while third-party gateways usually include an additional fee on top of Shopify's base transaction fees. For example, Adyen is one of the global payment providers that can be integrated into Shopify. It supports a wide range of payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even local payment systems like iDeal or UnionPay. Adyen is popular among larger merchants for its advanced fraud protection tools, global reach, and unified commerce solutions. Select the one that works best for your store and click on Install to begin the setup. After installing, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details to complete the integration. Now, your payment system is ready and your Shopify store is fully set up. With everything in place, you're now prepared to go live. Start promoting your product through ads, social media, and other marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store. As a final reminder, don't forget to configure your tax settings and payment options to ensure everything is compliant and operational. Once you've set those up, your store will be ready for business, and you can start selling your one product effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and good luck with your store.